Hello, welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see extend entities option in Solidworks. Now, as you can see over here, I have drawn some random sketch over here and I will perform extend entities operation on this sketch. Suppose I select this option. Now, when I move my cursor on any one of the lines, suppose on this line, it is showing me that this line can be extended in this direction toward this line. Okay, very important note while using this option is there should be something in front of this line so that this extension will stop somewhere. Okay, this is one of the important point to be noted while using extend entities. Similarly, I can extend this line up to this point, this line, and in this both direction I can extend. Now when I move my cursor toward this point, it is showing me extension toward this line. When I am moving my cursor toward this point, it is showing me extension toward this line. In this way I can extend. So let's perform these operations. Okay, so in this way we can extend. Okay, as you can see over here clearly we can extend. Now here I can extend this line up to this line also. So in my second operation it is showing me this possibilities. In my first operation it is showing me I can extend up to this point. Once I extended it up to this point, then it is showing me that it can extend up to this line. So I am going to perform this operation. So in this way we can use extend entities option in Solidworks, and in our upcoming video tutorials we are going to see convert entities and intersection curve options one by one. That's all. Thank you.